early 2024. What's going on out there? We're 2 months into the year, going on the third month. What is going to happen in 2024? I read all the stats. I listen to all the pros. I listen to the experts. But nothing has given me more confidence in this year than the 37 years of experience I had before and kind of feeling and sensing the market. I'm trying to look at the numbers right here to see if it's telling a story. And I'm thinking, I don't even care what the numbers are. I know what's going on out there right now based on how I'm seeing people act and react and how they feel, where their emotions are. And here's what I see. Late 2023, a ton of fear still in the marketplace. The people in the transactional business, real estate agents, lenders, title companies, escrow companies, home warranty companies, they were all crying. It was the worst real estate market in a long time. What confuses it is all that bad news has been put into the marketplace, how bad it was. But you know what? It wasn't bad. It was transactionally bad. They all made less money. They all did less transactions. But guess what happened to real estate? It was fine last year. It held value. And I think that's how people base how a real estate market really is did values hold up? Did I own something and did it maintain its value? It actually did just fine. So all the people crying are realtors and bankers and everybody else that makes money on transactions. What's going to happen for the transactional based people and what's going to happen for the homeowners, home buyers, or home sellers? Three different people there. I'm going to give you my opinion of what's going in the market right now. Transactionally, I don't expect a massive increase in transactions in 2024 than we saw in 2023. So don't expect this mass increase in transactions and everything's going to be phenomenal if you're on the transaction side of the business. What's going to make it phenomenal for those people are those that excel in their fields. They're good at their job. They learned some lessons from last year and they execute based on the lessons they learned. And the fact that because so many people failed in this business, they're leaving the business. So there may actually be more business this year than last year just because of the number of people leaving the industry because it's just too hard and there's just not enough transactions to go around for the 1.5 million people in the real estate industry, just on the sales side. Homeowners, should you sell now? Should you sell later? The answer is it doesn't matter what the market's doing. It matters what's important to you and when you need to get to where you want to go. The market's going to be fine right now and it's going to be fine at the end of the year. Is it your benefit to get out of your house now to go be closer to your grandkids or move closer to the ocean or buy your big dream home? Because buying is the tougher decision right now. Interest rates are still high. If you buy right now, you're buying in the 6.5% interest rate marketplace. The fear I have for my home buyers that are looking to move is that those that want the greatest thing in the world, which is low interest rates, want to wait for them. I think they're coming. They're just not coming as fast as we thought they were. We thought they were going to hit in March. It's March. It's not here. So it's going to be April, May, June, July, August, maybe the end of the year. Who knows when these rates are going to drop? It's been determined that rates will come down. And when rates come down, that's where I get nervous because we just don't have the inventory to handle an influx of buyers that would come into the marketplace. So that's going to put upward pressure on prices and prices are going to rise. And I think they will rise faster than interest rates will drop. So buying now at a higher interest rate and refinancing later is likely going to make you or save you more money than waiting until prices go up and interest rates go down. But it all depends on one thing. Can you afford what you want to live in at today's interest rates? And if you can't, then you wait or you adjust what you're looking for. So that's my market update of where we are right now. Hopefully that's helpful. I don't know if I'm right, but if I am, we'll know in a year.